What is up, guys? Merv here, and today we're finally in my new place, and we're going to be filming a very cool video today. But before that, let me just give you guys a quick little tour of my new abode, and yeah. So, starting with, this is the living room. I know it's a little bit of a mess. I had my dog here. Well, he's underneath there chilling. But yeah, here is my balcony, nice and big, as you can see. Obviously got the nice TV with my Xbox and all my main collections of movies and TV shows, and I got other stuff underneath those little drawer stuff there. Here's my little kitchen setup with the you know, right here. It's pretty good. Pretty standard fridge and stove came with the place, so not too bad. There's me. Oh, hello. There's my dog. Hey, Nico. Say hi to YouTube. What's up? And making my way towards, here is my bathroom. Small but effective, you know. Pretty good. And then we got my bedroom. So yeah, that's more or less, in a nutshell, quick little tour of my place. I still have a few little things, like I'd like to put some art and stuff like that on my wall. And pretty much it. Right now I'm just more or less killing time waiting for my buddy to arrive. He just picked up one of his dream cars, I would say. He got himself an Evo IV, which is really cool, especially in Canada. More specifically where I'm from, Montreal. Jesus, don't even know where I'm going. Let's turn off all these lights now. Yeah, so he recently picked up an Evo IV. That is, for all of you non-JDM people, that's basically the performance version of a Mitsubishi Lancer. And that is the fourth generation, or fourth iteration, and it came out in like the mid-90s, because the Evo 1 came out I think in 1990 or 1991. Don't quote me on that, I'm not an Evo expert. I respect them. They're dope sports sedans, and they look really good. And yeah, so he picked it up in Toronto, because technically you can't really get them here until they're like 25 years old or up to basically get them here, like legal. But we don't want to talk about that, you know. But anyway, so yeah, he picked it up there, drove it all the way back here, and yeah, he wanted me to see out the car and hopefully potentially get my first spin in a right-hand drive car, because I always wanted to do that. Driving stick with your left hand and being on the right side just always felt like a very weird thing to do, especially over here where everything is on the opposite direction. But yeah, I think it'd be really cool to see. And yeah, so hopefully he'll be here soon. Jalen, where are you at, man? Finally made it. He's here. Check it out. Oh, looks so good. And it's like basically stock too, which is kind of a blessing in disguise. That's sick. Right hand drive. Parked right next to my Turbo Fords. It's one of my favorite gens of Evos too. Damn. So, what made you want to get this car? Like, what pulled you into getting this? Because I know you were looking at Evo 10s for a while, but...
Yeah, so I was mainly looking at Evo 10s just because I felt like it would be the easier thing to find, which they are, but I don't have $25,000 plus to drop on a car.
Right.
So then I just started looking at whatever, you know, model was available, and then a lot of older Evos started coming up, and then right-hand drive Evos were coming up. I'm like, why just get a 10? Why not get something more unique? it, but when they went for financing, the
Didn't work
bank
out.
was just like, yo, we're not gonna finance the car, it's too old.
Yeah.
So the person just didn't have the money to put up to buy the car straight. So they dropped the price again. So I ended up, I kept on looking at it. I ended up calling one day. The day I actually called for the car, he had just fixed a bunch of shit on the car, like the timing belt that I showed you.
Yeah.
He had swapped that out. He just found the new windshield because the windshield was cracked across the middle. And he just found the windshield. He was like, yo, it took me like months to find the windshield. A lot of people kept on coming to look at the car and was just like, yo, drop the price because the windshield's cracked. So that's why the price was dropping before. And then when it couldn't be financed, the price dropped again. And I was like, all right, I see that you fixed all that and you bumped the price back up because you fixed a bunch of stuff, but I saw it last at this price. And he's like, if you come in within a week, I'll sell it to you at the lowered price that you had seen. And I was like, I'll see you in 2 days. I was like, I'll see you in 2 days.
That's how it's done.
Since I work at a car rental company, me and my boy, we rented a Volvo, took it up the, 5 hours to Toronto, saw the car within an hour, signed papers, car was mine, drove it back. And that's basically the story of how I ended up with this fucking car.
And he's been smiling ever since then.
Bruh, like, my cheeks have been hurting for the last 3 days. I've been smiling non-stop.
Much deserved though. This is a really sweet car. Like, it's really clean in here. Like, I've been in Evo V, I believe, but it was nowhere as clean as this. Like, this is ridiculous. Here we go. Up to speed really quick. That was a fast 50 kilometers an hour, Jalen. Jeez.
I don't know, man. The whole metric system and all of that, it's crazy out there.
Yo. Jeez. Are you coming back? Hello? Just look at it. Looks so damn good. You have fun there, buddy?
Nothing but fun when it comes to this car.
Oh, so good. Still gotta get used to this.
2 hours later.
Do this. Right hand drive. Let's go. Oh, well, I'm in fourth now. Yes, Merv.
From first to fourth.
Yes. Yo, I'm saving you gas.
Oh yeah, so much gas. Thank you.
Handles so good. Like the instant power, like I can get used to that. It'll make me want to convert to like an all-wheel drive car now. Oh, really?
The Mustang or the ST?
Oh, well, if the Mustang if it was drivable right now.
Bro, it's a rally car. Screw the speed bump, man.
I'm used to lowered car life.
Jeez. It's a freaking Evo. You're slowing down for a goddamn speed bump. Fuck the speed bump.
Alright, let's see if I can get it from first
into second gear?
Yeah.
That'd be great. That'd be driving, you know, like a normal person.
Yeah. Hey, there we go.
scared because it's my baby right now. It's literally my baby. Honestly, if I had a kid, I'd sell him for this.
Yeah. Oh my god.
This will give me far more joy than any child ever could.
Thank you for letting me drive this, man. This thing's sick. I love it. I love it. Okay, now I'm gonna be looking up right-hand drive cars.
Just get a Skyline.
Yes. That's to show a legendary 4G63. It's pretty clean. Yeah. And you said it's like stock, right? Pretty much?
It's completely stock. Like nothing has been done to this car other than the inside, like I told you before, the head unit for like the music and shit, the speakers, the shift knob and the steering wheel. And a lot of that shit was done garbagely. Like the steering wheel doesn't have a horn, doesn't have an airbag, and it's loose as fuck. The shift knob, as you tried before, like it literally, as you're shifting, the shift knob wants to spin around. But the speakers are good. The head unit for the sound is good. But other than those things, the car is completely fucking stock.
Which is good. Which is what you kind of want for a car like this, so you can actually build on it. And we found out the spray for the intercooler works.
Yeah, I have a spray to get bugs off of my intercooler. Didn't know that was a thing, but
it is. Yeah. Well, it's great. Love it. Can't stop looking at this thing. Yeah. Oh yeah, if you want to rev it so you can hear what your car sounds like. Stock exhaust still, but it's okay. Alright my dudes, that's gonna do it for today's video. We're gonna be saying goodbye. What an experience that was, getting to drive my buddy Jalen's Evo IV. That thing is insane. Can't wait to see what he's gonna do with that. And congrats to you again, Jalen. Sweet ride. I know you're gonna be smiling every time you get into that car. When you look at it, it's amazing. The fact that you have that, props to you, man. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video of me driving a right-hand drive car for the first time. It was a weird experience, I gotta say, but it felt pretty cool too. Definitely a surreal experience. And anything you have to say about that, Nico? Hello? He's got nothing. Alright. Well, if this is your first time, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, more content on the way. Alright, guys? Take care. Peace.